Jai Hind. Friends, in the previous video I discussed the importance of regime, how this important regime is connected with your success, and remain consistent successful you have to train yourself for that. And of course, for training you need to have a good regime and good schedule. I'm talking about the candidates, students who are preparing for all the important exams like civil services, engineering services and state services, where mental and physical strength both are required. And for acquiring the mental and physical strength, you have to train yourself for that. And today in this continuation I would like to discuss the importance of proper rest, the importance of adequate rest for your body. Friends, if body is not getting the adequate time for rest, then it starts giving problems, and problems are bad digestion, bad memory, lack of alertness, obesity, depression. And you know, as a student you cannot afford to have any of these. It is very necessary to understand that what are the processes our body undergoes during the rest, during the sleep. Body remains involved in the overall healing. You know, it repairs the cells, it flushes out the toxins and the waste in the body. The important hormones and proteins are body secretes during that. The nerve cells communicates and reorganizes themselves to ensure the better functioning of the brain. And all these vital activities, body needs time to do this. And of course, you know, when body is not getting time, these all activities are not going through, then the problems are definitely come. And these problems are very, very serious, especially if I'm talking about the students. Let me share a few tips to ensure good rest for you. Friends, first of all, you fix off your time when you go to sleep and when you will get up. This is very necessary because your body adapts accordingly. You know, body is also getting this interval when you are going to sleep, when you are getting up. Once it is fixed, then without alarm you will get up, because body is also having its own alarm, the biological clock. So body will also come to know that it is getting that much time for the activities, all those vital activities. Second thing, half an hour before, you switch off from all these possible source of EM radiations like mobile, laptop, computer, TV. Please switch off, because EM radiation is very, very harmful for the sound sleep. Third thing, relax yourself half an hour before, and if weather allows, you can take bath for relaxing yourself. On bed you can read some good book, not necessarily a syllabus book, anything which is of your interest. You can read book so that you can relax yourself. Before sleep, avoid tea, coffee and alcohol. Again, very harmful for your sound sleep. Friends, if you follow all these small tips, then you can ensure a sound sleep. And when you get up in the morning, you will get the message from your body whether you had a good sleep or not. If you are feeling fresh, charged, motivated, then definitely you had a good sleep. And contrary to that, if you are feeling tired, you are not feeling motivated and charged up, then you were not having a good sleep. Friend, since you are a student, then you cannot afford a day when your memories is not functioning properly, you are not alert, your concentration and focus is not proper. And for ensuring all this, you have to ensure a sound sleep. Friends, in the next video I will bring another important parameter of your regime where you can ensure your good training as far as mental and physical strength is concerned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay connected, stay healthy, best of luck, and Jai Hind.